again. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And I did this gorgeous painting like 3 years ago. And I am inspired to attempt to use every means at my disposal to try and get a similar effect. So I'm going to put this aside, and that's a 16 by 20 inch canvas. And I'm going to put a layer of both black and white paint on that canvas as a background so I don't have to worry about anything showing through. This is my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. This is my black Meeden paint, which is just meant to be a starting place. And I will be adding more of that in a moment. I haven't started too many paintings in this way, just to try and get a background. But I do recall there's at least one I just recently was inspired, that inspired me to try this again. And it could be anything in the background in my opinion, but I'm going to put these colors over. And I have not covered my edges, which means I may be doing something in the way of camouflage later. I want a layer of paint on the canvas. That's what this background is about. Plus, I always fantasize about doing a black and white just like this and leaving it really quickly. But that's not what this is about right now. Although it could be if I wanted it to be. So I'm just going to start to take the colors that I like and imagine them showing up where I want them to. Oh no, we can't have that. That can't be closed now. No, no, no. Okay, that's not good. But it won't take me but a moment, and I'm sorry about that. Hopefully that's going to open up. I really like the little bits. Oh, come on. I really like the little bits of this orange showing through. And at this point, that's all I'm going to get anyway. So what I'm going to use to encourage cells, even before I use the Aussie Floetrol cell activator, is some white enamel that I have had kicking around for a while. I want that whole tip clear. And I'm going to use some of this pink enamel too. I actually want to put a substantial amount of that. That's either a folk art or decor art Americana, or a decor art. This is magenta from Golden. This is that enamel. This is that enamel shaken up. I know, it looks like a mess. To me too. But it's okay. This is my Decor Americana 24 karat gold. Here's some hot orchid. All the way to the edge. Some in the middle. There's a little Anita's White Metallic, just to make it juicier and add some more white or light colors to the whole effect. I'm going to indulge myself and use, whoa, that was not even on. If this is open, I will indulge myself. And it is not open. This is, I will get those nails, I promise. I know, I keep forgetting to get the nails to keep my bottles open. And now I have a thread of paint stuck to my fingers. Come out! Come on! It's not. Okay, can't have that. Back to the Jordan. This is my deco art. Excuse me. This is my folk art neon purple. I have never just waggled paint onto the canvas like this. Well, actually, I remember a couple times. That's supposed to be coming out. Come on out. There we go. I think that's an Arteza. I'm going to indulge in a little bit of the electric blue from Arteza. And I saw in that other piece that there was a little bit of this color shifting blue from Folk Art. And I have Purple Flash, which is very much like the other purple. I want some turquoise, but I shouldn't have it. You know what? I'm going to open this bottle of Golden Hour because I really do want some. It's still not open. I got it this time. I'll have to fix that later. So what should I do down here? I think it's clear that it should be magenta. From the other picture. Now, is it time to put some more white enamel in there? I think it is. We'll go against the grain. This is going to be crazy. I think I want a little more orange. Here, there. They're great colors. I just don't know how they're going to work out. I'm having bottle trouble again. That's very frustrating. Okay, so I've got a single card and I'm going to use it down the middle. And I think I want to go from the other side, so I'm going to swivel this around. Also, I'm going to throw a little bit more of this color shifting red orange from Folk Art right in there where I see there are some gaps. I'm going to put even more of this Aussie Floetrol laden Amsterdam black. The recipe should be below the video underneath show more. I want so much more than that. I don't know how this is going to work. You know what else? I'm going to let it all go down. Because I can. That's the name of my first book. The Amazon link is on the link tree and my books are on the Amazon link. I'm going right from there. Grab my scrape dish. Knock my colors right off into it. Might have to wipe off my swipe card again too. I got a similar effect. They're just little tiny cells, that's all. The nice thing about Floetrol and things is that you can counting it filling in. I can probably also drip this down. So I need this side. Let's just wipe that off. I need this side from here over. Two for two. So now I'll use the opposite side from here over. This time I'm going to use my residuals on the end of my canvas. Thank goodness I didn't rub that right into the painting. I thought it was about to go there. So that looks like a wall of fireworks to me. And it is not the same as the other painting, but I don't think I mind very much. I'm pretty sure when push came to shove, the other painting got tipped. Like so. Which isn't probably going to hurt anything. Got a couple spaces that don't match everything else, but that really shouldn't be of concern. Yep, I'm getting some of that similar reaction. I see a large clump of something. What is that? But I do like the waviness from, oh, and I can rub my finger right across the bottom and use that paint that just dripped down. That's perfect. I'm going to need to cover this one edge. I should definitely torch. And I'm going to go back to, could have used a whole lot more white, I'm pretty sure. Not sure how I would get the bigger cells again. It's a completely different process. The process I did the other one with, I know, was a wet t-shirt, wet piece of cotton cloth. Oh, it came over the end. That's nice. And yes, I still have a black mark at the bottom, but whether I keep that or not is a result of whether I tip again, because I can definitely get rid of that, I'm pretty sure. And any of the drips that are going over the top can be used to cover the sides. And yeah, it's a little gray. This is really, really, really pretty. Even though the cells are not huge, it's a learning process. I don't suppose I should get rid of anything that's anomalous, because all the marks are good. I am just going to let that keep going. I'd like something over here. I don't know how I managed to get the whole thing through without, I think I can cheat. Let's try. Steal some of that. I want to call it burgundy, but it's magenta. There we go. It is what it is, and it's very cool. Beautiful colors. Wow. Is that an object I see? And another one. Time to torch. I will have one edge to cover. I used to put spirals in these. I think one of the tricks to this will be to use a whole lot more white and maybe in the background and add the colors on top. And I hope you can see how pretty this is, because this is just gorgeous. Just leading the paint that's already flowing over the edges to completely cover what needs to be covered. Just by tapping and dabbing. Tap and dab. I am so tempted to blow. I don't want to do it. Maybe another time. That one white line is kind of bugging me. But it's hard to torch and then make marks. Yeah, I think definitely a lot of white in my next attempt. But I don't even know if I can show this to you the way I'd like to. It doesn't have any of the drama of the black that the other one had, or any of the large cells, but it does have similar colors, so that's all right. I'm happy with this. This is beautiful. I don't mind having it be a little uniform across the bottom. Okay, so that's it. Please give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. That was successful in my opinion. More white next time. Thank you for all of the donations that help keep me painting all this time. If you'd like to be included in the monthly drawing, look on the end screen video. It's the exhibition video. It will share with you at the very beginning of it what the next month's prizes are for the drawing. Whoever gets chosen is the drawing winner. If you are a contributor through PayPal, and you can find that icon on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. Let's go in, because there is some beautiful color in there. And the close-up shows really a lot of little cells too. I gotta figure this out. It's been years and years. And there's no video. I looked. If there was a video, I'd link it underneath. I would have copied it exactly to see if I could do it again. My link tree underneath the video. First blue link, second blue link when I use little tools, when I put a little tool video link. Linktree has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my website. Underneath my Linktree is my email address if you are interested in purchasing an artwork. Use the hashtag and the file number from the title of the video. My 2 books are on the Amazon link, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, along with lots of other stuff. And if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and I really appreciate that because it adds up after a while and it helps me out. If you have questions, please ask. My community board is on my YouTube channel, and it will show you tomorrow's video. My playlists are also available from my YouTube channel. All playlists, created playlists, will take you to the playlists organized by topic and genre and the 100. And if you can't find what you're after, please just ask me and I'll help you out. I do sell my artwork, and I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. My paint pouring recipe is underneath, show more underneath the video, along with spring clothing directly under the video, which is all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts and lots of other cool stuff. More expensive and investment quality is the Legalerist link on the top of the link tree. Clothing made in Montreal, beautiful fashion clothing, dresses, and kimono tops and other things that are gorgeous. Worth a look at the very least. Can I have a thumbs up? Please, 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 please. And when you share my videos and watch them longer, and when the notifications come out, you help my standing on YouTube. I do torch my paintings to release the bubbles caught in the paint. My paint pouring recipe, I think I said already, is underneath show more. I think I mentioned Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links, but if I didn't, they are on the link tree. I probably did. My Facebook groups are Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more for shopping, Pixels.com and Fine Art America, go figure. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums of the older YouTube artworks, and I love you guys. I hope you come again. I post 7 days a week and multiple times on weekends, and lately I've been doing a night owl session at 11:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for, I have some excess videos and I like to post them early in the morning, and the good ones are the night owl ones, so I hope to see you there. I want to say I love you again. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery out. I'll see you anon.